Hey all, Mick here. Just a quick video introduction to a new video series I'm going to make. It's about 2 years ago I retired from the Defence Forces, the Irish Defence Forces, and I started working. I moved to Serbia and started working on a boat project. And Vesna, my partner, named the boat Panonski Monar after her favorite singer, one of his most famous songs, Georgia Balasevic's one of his songs. So Vesna named the boat, and well, later on I realised that a lot of boats in Serbia are called that. So although I'll keep the name, I'll be probably using it in English, which is Panonian Sailor. And Pannonia is a dried up sea that basically is modern day Balkans. But yeah, so I've been recording little video clips for the last 12 months on the jobs I've been doing on the boat. Everything from welding, carpentry, an extensive solar and electric system. And I've documented it, taken photos, and I just decided that anybody who's interested in DIY boats, uh, definitely your own boat project or even camper van, I've come to learn through YouTube that they're more or less the same thing, from electrics to insulation to basically making yourself comfort with the carpentry and beds as such. So yeah, I won't waffle on anymore. I'm just going to post a video every couple of weeks and let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoy it. It's been a struggle. It is a struggle, and the struggle will continue. So stay tuned and we'll talk soon. God bless.